You can easily enhance your Contact Form 7 functionality by rendering custom shortcodes. This allows you to add personalized features and dynamic content to your form. This guide will help you understand and implement custom shortcode in Contact Form 7. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search essential add-ons for Contact Form 7, install and activate the plugin. Navigate to the Contact Form 7 menu, Essential Add-ons, from the Fields tab, make sure the shortcode field is enabled. Navigate to any existing form or create a new one. Add the shortcode tag where you want to display it in your form. After clicking the shortcode tag, a configuration pop-up window will appear. Here you can configure field type, field name, shortcode, and class attribute. Enter custom shortcode in shortcode input field. Click the Insert Tag button once the configuration is done. The customized tag will be added to your form editing panel. Copy the shortcode and paste it inside any page or post to display the custom shortcode in your form.